Let's see your build. So this is my Geronimo G2. It's an aluminum frame. We got this seat post from Bush BMX. Custom SD biking seat, laser etched with the logo. We have the Bullseye seat clamp. The hand twisted spokes. The titanium Hurricane Bullseye hubs. Bullseye tensioners. Cool Night KMC 1-link chain. One of the strongest chains. We have the Bullseye Spider chainring, cranks, pedals with the custom Bullseye leather covers. Bullseye headset and stem. Bullseye brakes with the box brake shoes. And did you hear that freewheel? That's that White Industry. So duet this. Let us see your custom build. We're going to be giving away a free jersey with your name on the back.